AI may not replace all IT professionals before 2030, but it will definitely replace many repetitive IT tasks. And if your job is mostly copy-paste, ticket updates, manual checks, basic troubleshooting, or documentation, then this video is a serious career warning. Today, I'll show you 10 IT jobs that AI may replace, shrink, or completely transform before 2030. And more importantly, what you should learn to stay relevant. Let's be clear. This video is not to scare you, it's to help you prepare. AI will affect millions of jobs, but often it will augment people. Forrester's AI job impact forecast says AI and automation may take a modest share of jobs by 2030, but will mostly augment human employees. McKinsey also highlights that future work will become a partnership between people, AI agents, and robots, with many roles changing rather than disappearing.
Let's start with number 10, IT documentation specialist. If your main work is creating SOPs, runbooks, or technical summaries, AI is already very good at this.
Tools can now summarize meetings, generate process documents, and even convert architecture discussions into structured documentation. The future belongs to people who can validate, structure, govern, and improve AI-generated documentation.
Jumping on to number 9, data entry and IT asset update roles. Manual CMDB updates and asset inventory are high-risk roles.
AI plus automation can now collect, clean, and update asset systems automatically. Moving info from one system to another is disappearing.
Next, number 8, basic help desk support. L1 tasks like password resets and basic software installs are becoming self-service.
AI chatbots and identity automation can solve many of these issues without a human agent. Simple, repetitive tickets will keep shrinking.
Next, number 7, AI can now generate test cases, test data, and even detect UI issues automatically.
If you only follow manual test scripts, your work can be automated. But testers who understand security and AI-assisted QA remain valuable.
Next, number 6, junior business analyst. Note-taking and basic user story creation are now handled by AI.
The BA role won't disappear if you can ask the right questions, understand business context, and challenge assumptions. Number 5, network monitoring analyst. Watching dashboards and checking alerts is becoming an automated task. AI now identifies anomalies and recommends remediation. Future network engineers must focus on zero trust and observability. Number 4, traditional system administrator. Routine tasks like patching and log checks are becoming fully automated. The future sysadmin needs to become a cloud operations or platform engineer. Routine admin work is a target for automation.
Next, number 3, SOC Level 1 analyst. Handling alert triage and false positive checks is being taken over by AI platforms.
AI summarizes incidents and reduces alert fatigue. Professionals who understand threat hunting and identity attacks are the future. Number 2, junior developer doing only basic coding. AI assistants generate boilerplate, documentation, and simple bug fixes now. If you only write simple code without architecture or performance context, you're at risk. Use AI as a productivity multiplier.
And finally, number 1, technical support agent for repetitive issues. Installation and access problems are now AI-first scenarios.
AI agents search knowledge bases and suggest fixes automatically. Survival depends on handling complex escalations and root cause analysis. AI will not simply replace jobs, AI will replace people who refuse to upgrade their skills. Move from execution to high-value thinking. Learn AI tools, automation like Python, cloud skills in Azure, zero trust security, and how tech adds business value. To help you get started, here is my 7-day portfolio sprint. Spend just 1 hour a day to build a proof of your AI era skills. Day 1, audit your job for AI tools. Day 2, automate one manual task with Python or PowerShell. Day 3, build a basic Azure environment. Day 4, implement zero trust rules. Day 5, integrate a Copilot assistant. Day 6, AI generate your docs. Day 7, publish your results on LinkedIn. So now tell me honestly, is your current IT job safe from AI, or do you need to upgrade? Comment your role below for advice.
Subscribe to TechCirrus-SG for more AI and cloud career tips. Prepare now and AI becomes your biggest advantage. That's all for this video. See you all in next one.